How to use Google Maps on your iPhone. So first of all, you have to download and open the Google Maps from the Apple Store. Just go and navigate to your Apple Store and search for your Google Maps. Once you have access with the Google Map here, you have to download the Google Map on your device. Once you have successfully installed this, just go for the open option. And here you can see the direction option. So you have to just go for the search here option and just go and place your destination. And after minimizing it, here you can see that you can just start your
Head
direction
south,
here.
then turn right.
Also, you can just go for the add this option and go for the direction option, and it will provide you the simple route on your Google Map. So you have to follow the step direction provided via your Google Map. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.